Hello everyone. Today I'm going to repair this radio and record player. It's a front panel. It's on the top here. We have the door to get into the record player. The radio.
This is Carson Daly. I want to say a special thank you to all of you for joining us for I'm
Decision. First, I mean, she's not even here yet. And she's the face of nobody yet.
That's kind of humming. You see the humming? Okay, that's radio like that. And now check with the turntable. The turntable is not turning. It's not turn. It doesn't something. Down here is the schematic. This one for the switch for radio and phono, the front one, and the back one is for the tuning. Okay. I can remove the chassis out here. Yay! Oh, see, 2 speakers. One thing for there. Put me here. That's Neo. Okay, that transformer. I think that's for the speaker transformer, and the 2 speakers connect in parallel. This one, I got the speaker out, the antenna. Oh, actually, the 2 speakers are connected in series. Tubes and IF transformer. This one there, variable capacitor, and that thing here. I don't know what it does. This is the transformer for the speakers. As you can see, the antenna, ferrite core antenna, is connected in parallel with the variable capacitor. This and this forming an tune circuit. Okay. That's on and close. On and close in the chassis. As I showed you earlier, this record player make a humming sound. So the first thing, I will check is the power supply circuit here. The two capacitor over here. Probably this capacitor is this guy here. And I'm going to check this value of this one, see the capacitor is still good, or it's leak, or it's the grade of capacitor value. This one over here, that 50 microfarad, and another one is right here, is 30 microfarad, and this two in the same package. That's the transformer. This one use all the tube, and here have the diode. Over here it's not a tube, it's called the selenium rectifier, and this is the block inside of this one. Three. Try with this one. 50. Okay. Let's put back the cap for the diode here. That's called selenium diode. I'm now going to test all the tubes in the radio. This is good. Okay. So I will test all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tubes, and this 4 tubes is still good, and these 2 tubes is in question. And so right now I think this is okay for now. Put back on the tube.
Let's go here. B6. And this one.
This one is for high frequency amp and mixer. Tube here. Okay. Yeah, I tried to put back the original capacitor. Then I put the good capacitor on top of that.
While you watch your favorite sports and players, you just pick more or less. Women's basketball now, baseball, UFC, and it might be time to try out something new, like esports. All this month, every Wednesday and Saturday. If your lineup doesn't win, you get your entry fee back.
Okay.
There's always action on.
That's the original circuit. Okay. So I just add 50 microfarad into the original.
Buddy's on the center divide. Stay in the middle or your far right. We also have a crash reported south 5 at Rosecrans Street. Also a car fire westbound 54 right near Briarwood. This report is sponsored by Superstar Car Wash. John Monty with Kogo's real-time traffic.
Save big this summer at Superstar Car Wash with unlimited car washes starting as low as $10 for your first month.
Wow, I fixed that. The sound come out is very clear.
jury, then he probably would be found guilty almost anywhere in the country.
This is how the speed is changed. The fast speed, medium speed, and I think this is slow speed here. Oh, that's fast. Leave it this way. Skew now. And this one is a motor spin over here, and this is a 3-speed controller. So when I switch the speed here, like 33, 45, and 78. So when I switch this one here, it will change the speed. Yeah, and yeah, and this one before detect when it's playing, when the arm go inside, the disc, and it will push the pin, and on the shaft of the spin of the disc, there's something hit this one here, and it will trick the mechanism to lift up the arm and move out. After this move out, and it will activate this pins here. It will pull this pin out, and then it drop another disc onto the spindle. So, and this start for another playing. So I think good for now for the top. And I'm going to flip upside down to mounting the electronics. Grill. I just put them back together, and did the chassis electronics here, and the record player mechanism, the radio antenna here. Okay, I think now I can start plug in power and test. Do the first test with completely assembly.
También, que no solo implica para esas personas.
Sigue después del día de ayer que se congregaron.
And now he's back in the ball game.
Well, he's getting back and trying to get him back into the groove. It's a productive run on first down. They've got to do something about it. Aidan O'Connell has got to see that safety drifting down the box being an 8th man.